Welcome to Galaxy Log, a monthly video about observing galaxies that would be best seen in the upcoming month's dark window or near new moon. We will choose 3 galaxies for prime observation, with one each for smaller telescopes up to 5 inches, medium scopes 6 to 12, and large scopes over 12 inches. Galaxy observing can be the most challenging type of astronomical observing, but at the same time the most rewarding, which makes observing these grand islands of the universe the pinnacle of observational astronomy. As with many astronomical objects beyond our solar system, the darker the skies you observe in, the better. But you can still enjoy many galaxies from less than dark skies. In the video we will show an image of each galaxy and have its most common catalog number, constellation it resides, coordinates in right ascension and declination, magnitude, surface brightness, and size. We will discuss observing each galaxy and some tips to help you get the most from your telescope, eyepieces, sky conditions, and your eye. As with many things, galaxy observation can be subjective to each person, so what one person observes may not be seen by all. For there can be factors involved, such as quality of optics, sky conditions, and the individual eye. Galaxy observing can require some patience, skill, and yes, even practice. So let's head out to our first galaxy. Our first galaxy for this month, we head a bit south for our northern observers, and to the large bright galaxy NGC 253 in Sculptor. Even with its declination, a good dark southern sky is not necessary to see it, but will help in seeing detail with this galaxy. It's easily seen in binoculars or finder scopes in dark skies. From a fair dark sight, using a 120mm or 4.7-inch f5 refractor, a Chesmont member saw the galaxy was modeled with hints of light and dark patches visible with averted vision. The edges of the cigar-shaped disc were soft and faded gradually away to all sides, with a tantalizing hint that there was much more detail available with more aperture or a darker, more transparent night. Recently, from an excellent dark sight using my 4-inch f10 refractor and a 32mm wide-field eyepiece, NGC 253 and surrounding field gave a poster-like appearance, similar to large wide-field images I've seen. Detail in the galaxy was seen using a 12mm eyepiece, with the entire galaxy showing as heavily modeled, with bright areas interlaced with dark patches in the central region of the galaxy. This is a great galaxy that could be quite a sight using any telescope. We next head to the constellation Andromeda and the galaxy NGC 7640. This is a low surface brightness, highly inclined spiral galaxy that is situated in a flat triangle of 11th magnitude stars. From a good dark sight using my 8-inch refractor and a 20mm wide-field eyepiece, NGC 7640 is an extended glow within that trio of 11th magnitude stars. Inserting a 9mm eyepiece gave a nice view of the galaxy, showing a brighter elongated core area slightly modeled, with a couple of very faint stars within the long disk of the galaxy, the brightest just southeast of the core. Added observing note: while you're in the area, check out the nice planetary nebula NGC 7662, or the blue Snowball as it's often called. It's just a few degrees northeast of the galaxy. The final galaxy for this month is NGC 7328 in Pegasus. This is an interesting small oval-shaped galaxy that can be seen faintly in medium-sized scopes, but large scopes and good dark skies are needed to bring this galaxy to life per se. A Chesmont member using his 17.5-inch f4.1 Dob from an excellent dark sight saw the galaxy was a bit extended east to west, with a brightening in the inner region along the axis. I visited this neat small galaxy using my 22-inch f4.5 Dob on a recent adventure from an excellent dark sight in West Virginia. In the 22-inch Dob, 7328 was first caught using a 24.5mm wide-field eyepiece. The galaxy was easily seen situated in a nice large starry field. Then inserting a 10mm ultra-wide eyepiece, NGC 7328 started to come to life. A small core nested in a mottled oval disk. Pushing more magnification using 7mm and 5.5mm eyepieces, brought out more detail, including a faint small spiral arm just north of the core hooking west, but a slightly longer, fainter spiral arm south of the core pointing east. This detail was seen using a bit of patience, as moments of best seeing would come around. As I mentioned in the beginning of each video, a galaxy observing can require a bit of patience to get the most out of any galaxy you're observing. With this, you may be surprised what can be seen. Also, don't be afraid to push power on good nights. Well, that's it for this month's Galaxy Log. Clear dark skies and happy galaxy observing.
Galaxy Log is a production of Have a Stellar Birthday. We work with light, time, and people. Sponsored by 90mm Observatory. Backyard astronomy with small telescopes. Learn more at 90mm.org. Special thanks to the Chesmont Astronomical Society, dedicated to observational astronomy for more than 25 years.